In the heart of Orkney's Northern Isles, a wild and windswept welcome awaits. We've found a place with stories in its stone, and we're making it our home. We're chasing a dream from Indonesia to Orkney. Join us for wild island adventures and the soulful rhythm of life from sky, sea, and stone. Join us as we visit a couple of the local beaches and we eventually get to the Vat of Kirbister, where we're on the search for puffins.
White sands whisper on Westray's edge, dunes like secrets soft and wide. Children's laughter, seabirds pledge in sheltered bays where dreams abide. Storm-born boulders line the west, tossed by waves with ancient grace. The sea, a restless roaring guest, leaves salt and stone in its embrace. Where the shoreline sings, I walk alone, past seals that blink from beds of foam. Wildflowers bloom where no one sows, and history sleeps beneath the stones. Rocky shores with tide pool eyes, cliffs that lean into the spray. Iron Age echoes, windswept skies, Skara Brae just steps away. Sanday's hush, Stronsay's gleam, a patchwork stitched from sea and stream. Each beach a verse, each wave a rhyme, a song that's sung beyond all time. Where the shoreline sings, I find my name in sea-worn paths and skies aflame. The coast remembers, the islands know, this is home where heartbeats grow. The shoreline sings, I walk alone, past seals that blink from beds of foam. Wildflowers bloom where no one sows, and history sleeps beneath the stone. Where the shoreline sings, I find my name in sea-worn paths and skies aflame. The coast remembers, the islands know, this is home where heartbeats grow.
It's beautiful here. Love it. I love the seals. I love this beach. This beach is amazing. It's such a shame the water's so ice cold. But the sand is the fine, the super fine, the powdery stuff. It's wonderful. It's not painful to walk on. It's not huge chunks of shell or coral debris. It is super fine powdery sand. It's beautiful.